Seriously, man, I won't tell David. Like, it's not, sometimes you're just like, yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
It's usually like 10 inch. I make like 12, 13, you know, to get a little extra piece.
You take the extra 2 inches?
Yeah.
Dude, if I owned a restaurant, you're the kind of guy that I would want.
I'll be there.
Yeah. We're gonna give a piece of my Cuban sandwich and a piece of Danny's Cuban sandwich to my dad. And my dad is going to tell us which Cuban sandwich is better.
I've been eating Cuban sandwiches now at Puerto Sagua for 35 years.
Anything you want to say to me
Good luck.
before we stop talking?
Good luck.
Okay.
My grandfather came over somewhere in the early 50s. He brought his whole family, which is my father, and they started up in New York, actually. This was not our first location, and eventually came down south to what we know Puerto Sagua to be now.
Like, you need skill for
It's
this.
serious, yeah.
Yeah.
No. Queso. Too many pickles. Usually about 4 or 5.
Seriously, you put 4 pickles?
4 or 5 pickles. It depends on
3,
the
4,
size.
5, 6. I got 7 right now. And then a little bit of butter right here.
Push it a little bit.
One of these was made by Danny, and the other was made by your son. But we're gonna be fair, and we're not gonna tell you which one. What makes you feel confident that your sandwich is better than mine?
I've done many more than you have.
Did you see something in my sandwich that you didn't tell me was not right? Let me kind of like go down a bad path on purpose so you could...
Just a little bit.
Now, I'm going to try the first one.
How's that one?
It's very good.
Okay.
Number 2. They are almost indistinguishable, but I would say this one. Which was which? That was yours?
That was this.
Can he get a job here?
Now, if this is good,
You could come work for us.
well, I may need to if no one watches this video. So,
Yeah.
That's your wife. So wait, you guys met here. Were you working here?
Yes, sir.
And then you guys met, and now you're here.
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
here.
We're here.
Like I said, I see my family every day.
Yeah.
She's here with me every day. I see my father every day. I see my uncle every day.
When was this, if I may ask?
We've been together now, what, five and a half years?
I completely just won. But in all fairness, I learned from Danny. And I have to tell you something. I think I know why I won.
Why?
Because when you went for the extra grill here, like the cheese got really grilly, you know, like soft, and leaked over the sides a little bit.
Yeah.
And it made it look a little messier,
Okay.
which looks like me, messy. And I think my dad figured that was mine, the messy
yours,
one.
yeah.
Yeah.
That was exact part of my thinking.